Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on phone bills with MetroPCS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current phone bill. Check your monthly usage for calls, texts, and data. Visit the MetroPCS website or download their app for detailed plans. Review the available plans that fit your usage needs. Consider the promotional offers that MetroPCS frequently provides. If you are a family, check for family plan options to look into switching to autopay for discounts on your monthly bill. Evaluate if a prepaid plan suits your lifestyle better. Check if you qualify for any discounts, like military or senior discounts. Bring your own device to avoid additional costs if you have an unlocked phone. Explore options for adding a line if you want additional savings with family or friends. Monitor your daily usage and adjust your plan as needed to avoid overages. Take advantage of Wi-Fi calling to use less mobile data. Set up alerts within the MetroPCS app to stay informed about your usage. Compare your plan periodically to ensure you're getting the best deal. Use customer support for any questions you have about savings options. Make sure to cancel unused features or services to lower your bill. With these tips, you can effectively save on your MetroPCS phone bill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.